Well, it's that time of the month again. Well, not that time of the month, you know what I mean. Let's open this bitch up. Ah. Ah. Let's see what we got here. A fucking alien! It's got no crotch. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. Yeah, what is this furball thing? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Okay. Okay, so far so good, I guess. Holy shit, Pop Rocks! This is the best thing so far, fucking candy. Another pin, whoa. Nobody cares, what is this? What is it? What am I looking at here? Oh, is that the Predator? Well, I'll open that later. We don't know what that is yet. What is this now? Halo Escalation. What is this? Oh, yeah, Halo. That's great. Okay. Alright, what else do we got here? What is this? Chinese money? What is this? What? Okay. Full into saving. 5 exclusive deals. Okay. Another great item. This is probably a poster. Oh my god, it's Han Solo! Kill me now!